I guess I'm gonna be opening 100 Operation Wildfire cases today. Hoping for a knife. Even though I know I'm not gonna get it. But we're hoping for a knife. What am I gonna get? First case.
White.
I'm gonna get a white. Come on. Okay, not bad, not bad. I mean,
That's dog shit. Better than blue.
Come on. Alright, yeah, better than blue, better than blue. Case numero 12. Ooh, almost got.
Does this have 2 USPS skins in it?
Give it a little shake. I mean, at least it's a purple.
10 years later.
Shake. For good luck.
No shakes.
Ooh, okay.
Damn, where is that?
0.01.
That's gotta be a Laceman. Where fact now? Wait, 0.01.
This is
That's
better
gotta
than,
be. That's
this is
fact
better
now?
than the one I got. I actually have this skin. Okay.
How much is that one?
Okay.
That shit goes
It's
hard.
not. It's not much. I don't think. Where's it at? See, here's the one I got right here. It's field tested. This one is factory new. Okay.
That's fucking sweet.
Look up how much that thing goes for.
$19.
Okay. Bet.
Sweet.
Hey, we can work with that. We can work with that. Let me get about 5 more. Another USPS.
Start BB.
Come on, come on. Where's my good luck at? Come on, come on. This is it right here. This is it right here. And no. Look, if I get a knife out of these cases, I will give away my factory new. What is it, Navajo knife? Yeah, that's what I got. Hey, if I get a knife out of this, I'll give this knife away. Right here. I will give this factory new knife away.
Can I enter?
Actually,
I want the torturing poker.
I don't know who would name that thing that. Anyways, if I get a knife out of these cases, I will be giving this knife away. Okay? Okay, and if I get the fuel injector about this, if I get the fuel injector, I'll give away my op-acid bomb.
There you go.
Hey,
I'll be entering.
I'm sure you will, bud.
He's gonna get like a fucking safari mesh Bowie knife. He's gonna have to give away his knife.
Yeah. That would suck. I mean, knowing me, if I get a knife, it's gonna
I'm
be
sure
just the
a
ass.
safari mesh Bowie knife would be more expensive though.
But I'm just saying, if I get a knife, it's gonna be the most absolute dog shit knife.
Fucking Bowie knife rust coat.
Buddy, Bowie knife, rust coat, battle scar. Look, can't even see nothing on it. Come on. No. Please, please. Please, please.
Feliz Navidad.
Okay, first time getting this thing. What is it? Not very good. Oh, dude.
Damn.
Come on. I mean, bruh. Dude, they just hate me today. They just absolutely hate me today. God, dude. I've never unboxed a knife from cases, but it's gonna happen. I'm gonna open cases until I get a knife. I'm gonna keep doing case opening until I get a knife. I like opening cases.
I like getting a bunch of blues.
I like getting a bunch of blues. Oh, whoa, passed up a purple and a pink. Oh, I guess I'll get a blue. Yes, sir. Oh, there goes a pink. There goes another pink. And guess what I'm gonna get? A blue.
Necro pops.
Alright, Operation Wildfire. Breaker open here.
Fart.
I mean, at least I got a purple. And I mean, at least I got purple. That's all I can say about that. Back 10. Quick open. These last few, if I can actually get there. Check 9. And we got a scout.
Yeah, buddy.
We got another. Oh, quick open these last few here. Got the Berettas. Don't need that absolute junk garbage in the inventory. And the last container. And then I gotta get more keys. Alright, well, looks like I'm gonna go by. Wow, this case is actually went by quite quick. How many more we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. We got 20 left, Evan.
20.
20. Pull something. 20 cases,
Massive.
bro. 20 cases. Alright, so we're down to the last 20 cases. And I've got my fingers crossed. Please. Please let me get something good. Fuel injector. I mean, at least another pink. Just something. You know? Something. Let's start it off. Let's start it off. The last 20. We're starting off with what we started off with.
Yeah, buddy! Woohoo!
Yes!
Yes, sir. What else?
Keep rising. And that's what I was wanting. Right there. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dude. And that next hand go hard. Jeez. Sheesh. Alright, come on. Oh, they're just taunting me. There's a red, 2 purples, and guess what I'm gonna get? A blue. Dude, I have horrible luck with cases. Horrible. Absolutely horrible luck. Absolutely horrid luck with cases. Don't ever get anything good. Never. I would never get anything good over here. But don't worry. Don't worry.
Never ever.
Never give up, guys. Never give up on your case streams, okay? Never give up, okay?
Just pull a knife on your first case. Easy.
Yeah. Pull knife on your first case. Easy. Easy money. Berettas. Dude, I pulled. This has probably been the worst one yet. I pulled more blues than anything. Like, at least on the other ones, you know, I'll pull a bunch of purples or something, but not this one. It is nothing but blues on blues on blues. Now I've got it.
$19 shotgun
Oh! Yes, I do, mate. Actually, but this one's actually quite beat up. It's probably battle scarred.
well worn.
I mean, you know, it's field tested.
Field test. I mean, that's decent.
Hey, that's decent, guys. That's what we pull around here. We pull decent. Okay, well,
Yeah,
that's gonna be the best thing we get out of these last few cases, guys. But keep your hopes up. That maybe, just maybe, I'll get something besides stick with you guys. 90% of these like blue skins, I feel like I've been stat tracked. So, I mean, which is, I mean, I guess it's good, but sucks for trade ups for me. And another pistol. Last 9 cases. The last 9 cases. What are we gonna get? Absolutely fucking shit. Absolute dog shit. Let's open another one. Nothing. Come on. This time, guys, we're going for gold. We are going for gold. And I got blue. Oh, and the red passed by. Yeah. No. It's 4.
Yeah, buddy, that could have got you a maximum of $8.
Yeah, I've already got that thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna quick open these 2, and then we'll roll the last one. Oh, I got the hyper beast. I got another hyper beast, and this one doesn't look bad. I guess the best way to do it is just quick open them.
Surprised by a jambalaya.
Jambalaya. Alright, guys, the very last case. Did I quick open it or roll it?
Roll that. So the fuel injector passed by 6 times.
Yeah, fuel injector passed by 6 times. Just get a little blue. And guys, my favorite skin in the whole case. Let's see what we got. We got a bunch of blues.
How many did you get?
And a bunch of blues. Oh, look at the PB Bisons, Evan. Look at these. Wow! Very much. Look at the Mac 10s. That was horrible. Yeah, I mean, I got a couple Hyper Beasts, but that was all I got. Out of that one. That was it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me absolutely get wrecked by the opening cases. And if you want to see me get wrecked some more, just let me know down in the comments down below. Comment down below. If you want to see me get wrecked opening cases, I will absolutely do that for you guys. And also, there's a little bit of CS:GO content going out. You know, y'all can see how good I am at CS. You know, this is the only thing good I've got. And of course, didn't get it on video. I didn't get it on video. 0.06 Gamma Doppler. But that's it. I'll be doing some more case openings though, so y'all stay tuned. I will be getting that knife eventually. Mark my words right now. I will eventually get a knife. And it's gonna be on video. So thanks for tuning in, guys.
Redemption cases.
Yeah, some redemption cases. That's what we're gonna need next, guys. So y'all comment down below what case. Comment down below what case I should open next, and everyone y'all comment the most is what I will do. Alright, so decided I'm gonna do the trade up, and I'm gonna show you guys my screen here. Show you guys the odds over here on Skinport. Got everything put in, and hoping to get the fuel injector. 25% chance all across the board. This is menwear. So we're shooting for. Evan, what you think?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
This could be the game. This could change this whole case opening. Just one little trade up contract. One little trade up contract. Change it all.
Put you in a little happy mood.
Man, a little jolly little mood, eh? Alright, you guys ready? In 3, in 2, in 1.
Damn.
Alright, guys. That concludes this case opening. Hope you guys enjoyed. I got absolutely shafted.